Hey guys, let's check it out the Adobe Firefly. The new features which Adobe rolled out, the Firefly like the image generation feature, the generative AI for generating fill feature. Let's check it out कि हम क्या create कर सकते हैं. While people are experimenting, let's see what people are doing with it और कैसा result हमको output मिलता है. If you like this video, please do press the like button. एंड आपको अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड लेट्स गो और सी द ट्यूटोरियल एट द वर्क. Adobe Firefly released its new model that teach image to Firefly image to in which we have a more realistic photo, more real photos, more intelligent photo. So in order to get there, we have to first sign in or sign up for the Adobe Firefly. You just has to type or search the Adobe Firefly and you will get there. I am from India. Okay, I am from India. Just select the India. Let's go dig it out. So you have clicked the get Firefly free. Just click get Firefly free, then you get this type of interface. So let's roam to the interface first. So this is the Adobe Firefly interface. Right now it's totally free to generate the images. So let's see this. There is in a menu bar, we can see we have a home button, we have a gallery, we have a favorites, we have about and help. We can also join their Discord, and I have signed with my account. Like this is my Gmail account. I have signed in with this, and I have only 16 generative credit left for the month. Okay, so I think you will get 30 credits. I think just go there and watch it out. If you exhaust, just log in with the different email ID and you get another 30, or you're right, I think 30. So here you can directly generate with the prompt, right? You can write a prompt here, but I would suggest don't generate from here. You can see that these are all the features they are actually providing to us. So text to image, generative fill. What is generative fill? We have to just use the brush to remove the object or to insert the object in our existing photo. So that is generative fill. Now what is text to image? As you know, text to image is writing the prompt and getting the image. That's the text to image. The new feature image to is imparted on in a text to image mode. Now let's go down and see what are all or coming soon. So 3D to image are coming soon. In exploration, text to vector, some of the developers got this access, but I didn't get the access right now. So we have also have generative recoloring thing. You can recolor the images, and these are all the samples. We can also do this Firefly image 1, Firefly image 2. The image 2 beta version is real right now. So image 1 is a little bit darker, but image 2 you can see the realistic thing. Yes, you can see this effect, right? Just go and check it out. Like if I click the animal, just see the example of animal. This is the difference between the Firefly image 2 and Firefly image 1. So let's down here. You can see the people, what the people are working, what their works are. So these are all in the exploration right now. I don't get the access, but let's go dig it out to text to image thing. You have to click the text to image thing, and you can see these are all the samples or all the creation actually people are generating. So these are all the images they used, and you can see that there you can also see all the points they are using, like they are generating. So you can see this picture, a Labrador dog eating an ice cream cone. Then you can see this picture, beautiful and heavenly mandala art. These are all the prompts. You can just take reference from this, but we have to generate our, right? So just you will have to type there what kind of image you want. So let's try coffee mug. Let's see coffee mug. Let's type only coffee mug, and these are all the parameters. Like these are all the parameter on right side. So these are all the parameters. So the model version here, the model version is right now Firefly image 2 beta version. It's the new version, right? It's the new version. So just cancel it. And if you want aspect ratio, these are the aspect ratio, like the landscape, the portrait, the square, the Instagram thing, and the wide ratio. You can select any of this. And now right now we have a two option, the photo and the art. As you know, the art is like the artistic thing, like the pictures, the oil painting are the arts, but photo are the realistic photos. So the visual intensity are the overall intensity of a photo on a visual character. Like if you just play with it, you will understand. And the style is referencing the effect. What are the reference images? Like if we put some reference image, like we put, I will show you the example. I will show you the example, the like the blue color. So the blue color is important in the image. So this, the strength is actually doing this thing. Now let's go to the effect section. You can upload here a reference image from which the image will take a reference and generate a new image. Then you can check and see the images, the effects. So these are all effects you can use. Like this is a good thing that we can see what type of this effects are, we can see. So I go to the popular thing, and these are the layer papers, like synth waves, and yeah, painting, digital art, hyper realistic. And now you can also do the color tone, like you can customize the color tone, the lighting tone. Okay, low light, high light, harsh light, golden hour. You can select the golden hour also. The composition, like, or what are the close up thing, the landscape photography, everything you can here select with just click. And if I go in the advanced section, you can add the negative prompts here. These are the negative prompts you can add. Now just I have generated this thing with the coffee mug. I think it's a good, let's see this picture. Yeah, it's good, it's good. Let's go and see some work from people, what they are doing. So huge shout out to Anu. So we can see the Anu is experimenting with the Firefly image to model. So he generated this picture, Adobe Firefly ultra close up of a woman face synthetically. You can see the skin tone, etc. You can see the picture, and also you can see this picture ultra close up. This is skin tone, etc. This is a change picture. You can see this picture, like this is AI generated picture. She's generated like Adobe Firefly, an Indian woman, and this picture is generated. Is it good? Is it good? Comment me down. Is it good or not? Okay. So let's see here. You can see the image reference, the what is image reference image gallery. You can upload your image. So this is the image. You can see style reference. This is the image she uploaded, and she got, after adding a prompt, and she got a reference type. So the prompt is like the mountain shot down and down, but the reference image colors are imparted in this image. You can see, like this is a good example. Now let's go more there. So here you can see the aspect ratio, like the landscape, portrait, and all thing. You can, this is a simple thing you can do. Advanced section, what I was talking about. So strawberry is really excluded means negative prompt. So strawberry is not there, you can see. So let's see and dig it out, what the difference in the Midjourney, the DALL-E 3, and the Adobe Firefly image 2. So this is the image the Midjourney generated, and this is the image the DALL-E generated, and this is the image the Adobe Firefly. You can see the portrait shot of a woman, yellow shirt, and photography. Actually, three of them are really good, but you can see the difference. Now let's go to the another photo. So this is the another photo. You can see portrait of a supermodel, big glasses, Y2K aesthetics, chrome, and ice blue bright. You can see the picture. So Adobe Firefly is actually working good in a realistic version. Like this seems like real, right? If we see this picture, you can see this picture, like little girl holding a teddy bear in the middle of nowhere photograph. So you can see the Adobe Firefly is really generating the real image. So it's look like a real image. You cannot say the Dell E3 real image, but you can say, okay, the Firefly generated a real image. So now let's see some more photos. So these are also a photo, confused woman, sci-fi, future, blue color, blue glow color, orange hologram photograph. So you can also see this type of image, like actually Firefly is generating a realistic photo. Let's see some futuristic photo. So this is, I think, a futuristic sci-fi shocked photograph. So you can also see, like, okay, this is not the difference thing. Let's see the oil painting thing. So illustration of a man in a red hoodie, minimalistic graphic design, poster art, dark crayon, and sky blue honeycore. So this is the images like Adobe Firefly generated, the DALI 3 generated, and the mid generated. So really it's cool. Right now Firefly is actually doing a good work. Now let's go to the Firefly again and let's see the generative fill feature. So this is already there, generative fill. I have not uploaded the video, so in this video I will show how you can generate or you can manage to do the things and make a fill. Like, let's take this photo, this is me, and let's try to fill something. Okay, so this is the interface of generative fill, and we want to insert anything like the boat. Let's do insertion of boat here. So just click and drag. Now the prompt is here, a boat, a wooden boat. Let's see what they generate for me. So we can see now we have alternative 3 option, like one option this, one option this, and one option this. So I am pretty go with this option because it's look real. So just keep, and let's add the mountain at the background. Let's add the mountain at the background because I don't see a lot of mountain there. So let's just click and do the brush thing. Let's do the brush thing. Okay, mountain, a mountain. So you can see I actually, yeah, okay, you can see the result is really good. It's really good. It's look like, okay, this is the mountain. It look like this is the mountain. So I'll take this picture. Let's okay, so now you say me how it's really cool or not. Just give the comment it's really good or not, and don't forget to like the video because I'm sharing the learnings with you how you can use the Adobe Firefly in your work. So just skip and just download the thing. I do cancel. I forgot to show you the remove thing. Now let's remove this area. Like, okay, let's remove this area. Remove. Now you can see, just have a second. No, you can see the similar thing. There is no object right now. Yeah. So voila, this is the power of generative fill. You can use it for your thumbnail, for graphic designing, anything. So just download it. Okay, so download and continue. You get the picture in a second. This is the final picture I will get. So this is the boat is not there, and after that the city is not there. So this all are generated by AI generative fill. So this is really cool thing. So go and experiment with it and let me know, are you liking the videos, and give me the feedback. Okay, so this things to be improved and this thing to be improved in the videos, so that I can improve myself for you. And comment down, do you like the Adobe Firefly after using it, and do use it because it's absolutely free for you. So till then, bye bye, milte hain next video pe.